Hey, I forgot to put my conclusion at the end of this video, so just a real quick note here. The carb did end up tuning once I hit the wood, so it worked out, but the saw obviously needs a muffler. The stock muffler isn't going to do it, so it's definitely going to need some muffler work. Probably, I don't know, I'm probably going to build one of my big old fat banana mufflers for it and see what happens. But this saw exceeds my expectations, so I hope you enjoy the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Alrighty? So how you doing? So I cut this video and I forgot to make an intro, so hey, we're gonna have to deal with this, right? So what you're about to see here is my Homelite Super XL-925. It's the 82cc version, and I ported the living snot out of it. What can I say? I was expecting this saw to fall flat on its face, and it didn't. So, just one thing you want to keep in mind here with this video is pay attention to the chain. The rakers are too deep. So they used to be sitting at like 38 thousandths. I sharpened it, I got it down to 30 thousandths on the rakers. It needs to be a little less, probably closer to 25. So she's real grabby, but the saw has enough power, it don't care. It break the chain, you know what I mean? It hasn't that much power. So just watch it and hey, enjoy. Don't forget to leave your comments, thumbs ups, all that's good stuff. And if you're new here, thanks for joining in. We're gonna have a good time. Just playing with old Homelites mostly. You know, porting the vintage saws and fixing them up and having all that good stuff. So, hey, thanks and welcome to the channel. Alrighty.
This is the most powerful chainsaw I've ever had in my hands. Easily. I was not expecting this. I thought it was going to fall flat on its face. The amount of pull this saw has is ridiculous. I'm at 30 thousandths on these rakers. I'd swear I was running a dirt bike. Holy cow. I'm shaking. Like, I'm shaking. That's almost to the point of scary. I don't know if she's gonna hold together. That's a lot. God, that is a lot of power. I don't know. Only one way to find out, I guess. Oh. But man. I kid you not, that is the most powerful chainsaw I've ever had my hands on. Ever. The amount I raised that exhaust, I was not expecting that kind of performance. Not at all. It's like playing tug of war with the Hulk right now. It's a little too aggressive on the rakers. They're sitting at 30 thousandths. You can probably tell in the video, but the saw has no problem with it. It just pulls it through, you know? It doesn't care. That saw would probably pull his chain with no rakers. I was totally expecting this thing to fall flat on its face. I wasn't expecting any kind of performance out of it. That's a 10-degree adjustment on the exhaust roof. Just in case you're wondering. I went 10 degrees. I wonder how many RPMs you'd be pulling. I wonder how many RPMs she'd be hitting if the rakers weren't that deep. I don't think it matters. I was expecting, a high revving, no power saw, but it's not as high revving as I thought it'd be. It has a whole lot more power than I was expecting. I pushed it further than normal, and I got a performance level that I was not expecting. Hey? We'll run it a bit more here in some upcoming videos and see if she holds together, Boy, I'm still shaking. Check that beauty out. Well, I'm gonna go sit down, get out of this rain, and try to calm down. I feel, I don't know, I can't explain it. It's like running a 600, 800 horsepower car for the first time. You get your blood flowing, Oh, I gotta sit down. Alrighty, so hey, we'll catch you on the next one. All right, later.